Welcome to Dallas, Texas, along with Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski. Every team in this Central Division just feels like it's a murderer's row, and we got two of them on display tonight.
There are no easy nights. It certainly doesn't feel like it. And when you're one of the weaker teams, it must be terrible to have this division in front of you. You go get the crap kicked out of you 15 times a year.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. The Stars take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. And sends it just out of reach. Covers it up, and we'll get a stoppage in play. James Cebulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. Still no score in this one. The Stars will go to work here in the offensive zone. Oh, somebody get the smelling salts after that. Scores! They're on the board early.
Yeah, there's also a lot of people not in their seats yet. Man, that was quick. Now, coaches talk about getting to the front of the net, make it difficult on the goalie, take his eyes away. Man, he only can see the players' butts in front of him. He can't even see the puck.
Dallas has to be feeling pretty good about themselves on that bench there, Ray.
They were lively to start the game, James. That'll pump more energy into this place already.
Quick pass to Heiskanen. Cuts to the paint. And they keep the pressure on. That is why hockey players are warriors. What a block. And it's a quick pass to Miller. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Pavelski. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Just wide.
The D-zone team is out of gas. They can't get to the puck.
Stuffs them again.
Georgiev surprised a lot of people over his career with some of the saves he makes. Now, this isn't the best one ever. But man, this is a beauty. It surprised me. I didn't think he was going to get it.
They've got some momentum here. He scores! Getting Segi with it. Tyler Seguin.
The man advantage break is sprung here, and they execute it perfectly. Two different views from either side of me. One coach not happy they gave up the man advantage break. The other one's pretty pumped with how they executed it.
Nearing the midway mark of the period. The Stars now lead by 2. Dallas has won the draw, and they take possession in the neutral zone. Goes right to the crease. Oh, and it stays out. He got a piece of that one.
They work the puck into a scoring spot, get a pretty good chance on goal. They just can't find a way to finish it off.
That's off a stick. Sends it quickly to Dadonov. Dallas on the attack. Great poke check on the reach. The Avs get a hold of the puck along the boards. Colorado's got it into the offensive zone. And now it's grabbed by Nichushkin. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. Quick feed to Makar. And he slides it quickly to Nichushkin. And a good heads-up defensive play in the open ice. Here's a short pass to Rodriguez. Nice dish from the left wing. The Avs carried along the wall. The Stars gain control of it. Hintz brings it in. Here's a shot, and that banks off a stick. To the low slot, and a huge stop by the goaltender at point-blank range.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
With the blast, just wide.
He gets everything on this shot. He doesn't miss by much, but it's up over top of the net.
Puck grab by Girard. Takes a shot. That's kicked away with the pad by Ottinger. Marchment's got it into offensive territory. Puck scooped up by Hintz. He was locked in there. Big save by the goaltender watching that one. And now it's over to Suter. And that carries off a stick. Some solid defensive work in their own end with the poke check. Moves it quickly over to Lehkonen. Right to the middle. Stopped by the goaltender. Broken up with the stick in the defensive zone. And that pass attempt is deflected. Well, this one so far living up to the hype as the first period comes to an end. It's 2-0 after the opening frame. Pretty good start for one side, not so much for the other. And as both teams head to their respective rooms, 2 more periods still to come. We're looking forward to it here on EA Sports. And we are just moments away from the start of period number 2. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
The Avs are going to have to find a possession game that looks a lot different than that first period. They chased it around, and as a result, they're chasing the game.
Can't connect on the pass. There's the whistle, icing the call.
Another look on the replay at a good scoring chance. That's turned aside. The goalie's in position. Doesn't have to make a spectacular save, so it's a good one.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. 2-0 is the score. Through center along the wing. From center they get into the attacking area. And that's knocked aside with the stick by Seguin. The Avalanche have taken over in the neutral zone. Here he is, wristed on net. That's gloved by Ottinger. Takes the feed after his goalie chooses not to cover up. Here they come on the attack. And just out of arm's reach on the play. And now he tries to get it across to McKinnon. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Nichushkin. Here's a chance. And the puck skips off the glove. Moves it to Seguin. Here's a blast! Oh, and he just puts it wide of the net. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. A chance! Oh, and another save!
Gonna have to work a lot harder to beat him tonight, I guess. There's 2 excellent saves in a row.
The Avs gain possession along the wall. Great defensive effort with the stick. Across the line from center. Hammers the shot. Off the post and into the back of the net.
Just a quarter of an inch keeps that puck out. If it hits the post more directly, it stays up. As you're a shooter, that's a great sound. I don't think the goaltender gets a look at this at all, James. He just drops into the butterfly. He's hoping the thing hits him through that traffic.
The Stars' offensive onslaught continues in the back half of the second.
They're not showing any signs of letting off the gas pedal here. This has been a dominant performance.
Quick feed to Rodriguez. And that's a great heads-up in the defensive zone to force the turnover. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. The Stars move it in. The Avalanche have gained control of the puck in their own zone. Dallas has possession of it now. Grabs control of it at the point. Wrestling in close. And he makes the save on that play. He scores! Wait a second.
Hang on here, James. The referee waved this off right away.
Play set to resume, and you can see they're still frustrated by that non-goal call. Great read by the winger to take possession with the two centermen tied up. Look out!
Yeah, you didn't say that quick enough. He got flattened as he was trying to go down the boards.
Scores! More unanswered.
Maybe they should try both goalies in the net down there. This net is going to get tipped over as they keep scoring. He had enough time to wind up for the slapper, and he zips it past the goaltender on the stick side.
The Stars probably don't want this period to end here, Razor.
Nobody wants a birthday party to end. Those things are fun.
Good point.
So you want to keep going here.
Into the attacking area from the left side. Dallas takes hold of the puck. Here they come on the attack. Whiffs on that. Errant pass, and they can't connect. Taves setting up against the wall. Turns it aside with the glove.
I thought they worked the puck around pretty good here. They get a good chance on goal, but not to be.
Oh, what a save in front.
Georgiev's no different than anybody else tonight. I mean, that's a good stop that he makes, but he hasn't been very good, and the team has played rather poorly. Ottinger's able to snare that scoring chance. Good glove stop there.
Late goings of this period. The Stars have a 4-goal lead. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Nice zone entry on the left side. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Picking up steam in the offensive zone. Quick stop by Georgiev. Oh, and he misfires on that. Well, the ice has sure looked tilted after 40 minutes of play as the second period comes to an end.
Join our fan club and receive a membership card, discounts on team merchandise, and zones, as well as email notifications on upcoming promotions.
Don't go anywhere. Third period is just around the corner. The moment of truth has arrived for both these teams. Third period action set to go. Third period underway here. This has been a total squash to this point. Ray, with 2 periods in the books, what are your thoughts on the game to this point?
Dallas is able to use their full bench. Coaches love this. 4 lines in 6D. They can use everybody with such a comfortable lead.
The Avalanche have the puck in the defensive zone. Along the right wing, they enter the attacking area. That's turned away with the pad by Ottinger. The Stars are in transition. Here's a shot. Great stop by Georgiev. Quick pass to Pavelski. Can't get it to go. Taken by Taves. Colorado's got it along the wall. Stopped by the goaltender. Dallas tries to break out from their own end. The Stars will play it from the defensive zone. Takes it to the front. Scores! And Big D delivers.
You've got to get rid of that puck in a hurry from that spot on the ice. You're in the high slot, you're open, but you know everybody's converging on you.
And it looks like the hockey equivalent of going to the bullpen's happening here as they're going to change goaltenders.
That'll do it for him, mercifully. This has been a long night.
The Stars continue to rack up the goals here in this third period.
They can do no wrong. It doesn't seem to matter who's on the ice. They're the better team.
Puck is dropped and play resumes. Intercepted. Lets it fly. Stopped by the goaltender. Moves the puck across to Dadonov. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. Dallas has it in the open ice. With possession along the wall. Tees it up from the point. Denied by Kincaid. The Avalanche have gained possession off the wall. Right up the gut into the attacking zone. Takes the shot. Gets in front of it. Ottinger's under fire, and he's going to hang on for the whistle.
Sometimes you freeze it to give your teammates a breather. Sometimes you freeze it so you get yourself one. He's been really busy tonight, but he's been exceptionally sharp.
Past the midway mark of the frame, the Stars have recently extended their lead, and it is a blowout. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Compher's got it against the boards. Puts it up front. And that's intercepted by Domi. Along the right side into the offensive zone. Colorado's looking to break out.
The Stars have protected the house tonight in front of the goaltender extremely well. I love the way they've played.
Now a quick pass to Manson. And he gets in the lane to block that. Picked up along the boards by Domi. And they won't connect on that one. Moves the puck. Here he scores! It's in the back of the net!
What a goal. He dekes the goaltender way out of position. Beautiful move.
The Stars could almost put this one in neutral here for the rest of this third period.
They've dominated much of this game, and the score is clearly reflective of that.
Here's a short pass to Seguin. Knocked away. A chance in front. And he comes up big with the stick save, getting all of it with the paddle.
High-quality chance, high-quality save.
The centermen glide into position. Colorado's got possession here in their own end. And now he angles it across to Nichushkin. Right side set up ahead into the middle of the ice. Good read with the stick to break that up. They go on the attack from the left side. Here's a shot. Glove save made by Ottinger. Goalie plays it up. Gains the zone from the right. Lets it go. Denies him with the pad. The Avalanche have taken control of the puck. And now it's grabbed by Girard. Nice pass. Moves it quickly over to Nichushkin. And he slides it quickly to Manson. Hammers a shot. Oh, he got a piece of it to keep it out. Pavelski's got it across the line. Shot in front. Big save. Robertson's got it in the offensive zone. And will play on as that goes off the outside of the post.
The Stars maybe can put that in their pocket and save it for another night. They're up big here and thoroughly in control.
Whoa, close call on the bench as the puck sails out of play. Hins quick on the draw. Pushes it across to Dadonov. Fires it. Oh, just gets a piece of it with the toe stop. They score! My goodness, what a shot and one-timer!
He's got the momentum of being in stride, and then he delivers that snapshot. Rifles it right by the goaltender.
When he shoots the puck while on the move, he has such a quick release that it's hard to stop, guys. That's his make-it-snappy superstar ability. And just look at how quickly this one went into the cage.
Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. And the final horn sounds. one. This guy's like a human wall with this run.
Brian Boucher had 5 straight shutouts at one time. This is starting to look like that. Everything he handles looks like it's no trouble for him.
Impressive. And the party isn't done just yet.
No, I think it's just starting, James. The fans get to salute the players. Everybody's going to go out of this building feeling fantastic tonight.
Well, this one's in the books. A fun one tonight for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Good night.
Oh, kid.